Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're driving along Henry Clay Avenue in New Orleans, Louisiana, a residential street located in the Uptown area of the city. This avenue runs east to west and connects several long-established neighborhoods, offering a look at New Orleans beyond the city's busiest tourist areas. Henry Clay Avenue is named after Henry Clay, a prominent 19th century American statesman known for his role in national politics before the Civil War. Street names like this reflect the period when New Orleans was becoming more closely integrated into the United States following the Louisiana Purchase. The neighborhoods surrounding Henry Clay Avenue developed primarily in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. As streetcar lines expanded, residents were able to live farther from the riverfront and downtown business districts. Uptown became one of the city's earliest streetcar suburbs, shaping streets like this into quiet residential corridors rather than commercial centers. As we drive, you'll notice a variety of historic homes lining the avenue. Many were built more than a century ago and reflect architectural styles designed for the local climate. Raised foundations help protect against flooding, while wide porches, tall ceilings, and large windows promote airflow during hot, humid summers. Mature oak trees line much of the street, adding shade and a sense of permanence. Just north of Henry Clay Avenue is Audubon Park, one of New Orleans' most important public green spaces. The land was originally part of a plantation before becoming the site of the World Cotton Centennial Exposition in 1884. Today, the park is known for its walking paths, sports fields, and long views toward the Mississippi River. The avenue also sits near Tulane University and Loyola University, two major institutions that have influenced the character of the surrounding neighborhoods for generations. Faculty housing, student rentals, and longtime family homes all coexist in this part of Uptown, creating a stable but active community. Like much of New Orleans, this area has been shaped by its relationship with the Mississippi River and the city's levee system. Flood control projects over the years helped protect Uptown neighborhoods, though they were still affected by major storms, including Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Today, Henry Clay Avenue remains a calm, mostly residential street. It's a place defined by everyday life rather than landmarks, offering a glimpse into Uptown New Orleans.
Thanks for watching!